In this video, I am going to explain you how to make a smoke detector or gas detector using Arduino. Components required are Arduino Uno board, smoke or gas detector sensor module, LED and buzzer. Connections. Connect A0 pin of the smoke detector module to the A0 pin of the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the smoke detector module to the 5V supply pin of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the sensor module to the ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the negative lead of the LED to the ground pin of the Arduino and positive pin to the 12th pin of the Arduino. Connect the positive lead of the buzzer to the 13th pin of the Arduino and negative terminal to the ground pin of the Arduino. Upload the code to the Arduino board. You can get the code from the link given in the description. You can see here the sensor module detected the smoke, so the LED and buzzer are switches on. I have placed cigarette lighter near to the sensor. Without flame, the sensor detected the butane gas from the lighter. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Do like, share and comment. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you.